If your mom entered a race with the animal kingdom, who'd lap her first? Let's find out. Kicking off our list at number 3, it's the pronghorn, hitting speeds of 55 miles per hour. That's so fast, they could zoom past your mom at the supermarket and still have time to grab the last bag of chips. Next up, the Australian ostrich, or as I like to call it, your mom's spirit animal. Why? Because they can hustle at 45 miles per hour without even breaking a sweat. Imagine that, your mom racing to catch a sail before it ends. And the gold medalist in our animal Olympics? You guessed it, the cheetah, clocking in at a jaw-dropping 75 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, if your mom started running from one end of a football field, the cheetah would reach the other end before she even realized she started running. So there you have it, speed demons. Next time your mom tells you to slow down, just remind her about these speedy critters.